Tomorrow will be better. I always tell myself in every day, every time I grow. You've tried to pull me down under the ground.
What up, YouTube? I'm looking quite ravishing this morning. I am getting ready to leave for a family reunion, and I decided, since I have all my regular stuff packed up, I'm going to do a video showing you all the things that I use when all my favorite stuff is packed up. It is going to be a quick video, but I'll hold up what I'm using. Right now I'm going to use this BKO Paris lip balm. Just to get my lips getting soft and pretty while I'm doing the rest of everything. I'm going to use this Lancome SPF Clinique Moisture Surge. Let me see if I can find an eye cream in here. How about confidence in an eye cream?
What do you think? Why don't you sink under the water? So what do you see in the illusion in your head?
I'm also going to go in with this Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm, which was what I was looking for to begin with, which is a better balm, and plus it smells like deliciousness. I'm almost out. I might need to add this to my birthday wish list. Alright, while all this stuff all the goodness is sinking into my skin, I'm going to go ahead and go do my hair off camera, because nobody needs to see that taming process. Alright, so this is going to be kind of a combination video because I received, let me get this out of the way for a minute. I received my Shadow Me subscription box from Glam. This is a $19.99 subscription. It's every other month, and they send you a palette. It comes with a little card. This one says, P.S. I Love You is the name of this, and it shows the shades on the back. I'm going to go ahead show you the palette here because this is what I'll be using on my eyes. Comes with a little sleeve, all the info on the back, and this is what it looks like. Comes with a nice mirror, and this is what it looks like. I'll insert some pictures here of the palette in its pristine condition, and as I roll through this look, I will show you which shades I'm using through the editing process. So I'm going to quickly get on my face and fast forward, and then I'll get into the eye look.
Tomorrow will be better. I always tell myself in every day, every time I grow. You've tried to pull me down under the ground every time, but I'm alive. What do you think? Why don't you sink under the water? So what do you see in the illusion in your head? You're messing around me, it's killing yourself, and it's sad. You're like faker, 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 faker. Act like better, 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 but I can feel it, feel it, feel it, 'cause it's so obvious. You're like faker, 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 faker. Act like better, 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 but I can feel it, feel it, feel it, 'cause it's so obvious. In your world, you think it's fine, but you have to be in the real life, 'cause I keep going, step on you. They're only me and myself, there's no place for you. Just be your own, don't be cheater, cheater. What do you think? Why don't you sink under the water? So what do you see in the illusion in your head? You're like faker, faker, faker. Act like better, better, better. 'Cause it's obvious. You're like faker, 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 faker. Act like better, 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 better. But I can feel it, feel it, feel it. 'Cause it's so obvious. You're like faker, 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 faker. Act like better, better, better. But I can feel it, feel it, feel it. 'Cause it's so obvious. I can feel it 'cause it's obvious. I can feel it. Tomorrow will be better. I always tell myself in every day, every time I grow. You've tried to pull me down under the ground each every time, but I'm alive. What do you think? Why don't you sink under the water? So what do you see in the illusion in your head? You're messing around me, it's killing yourself and it's sad. You're like faker, 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 faker. Act like better, 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 better. But I can feel it, feel it, feel it. 'Cause it's so obvious. You're like faker, 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 faker. Act like better, better, better. But I can feel it, feel it, feel it. 'Cause it's so obvious. In your world, you think it's fine, but you have to be in the real life. 'Cause I'm keep going, step on you. They're only me and myself. There's no place for you. Just be your own. Don't be cheater, cheater. What do you think? Why don't you sink under the water? So what do you see in the illusion in your head? You're messing around me, it's killing yourself and it's sad. You're like faker, 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 faker. Act like better, 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 better. But I can feel it, feel it, feel it. 'Cause it's so obvious, obvious. You're like faker, 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 faker. Act like better.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I think it turned out pretty. It's a little bit like monochromatic and I wasn't really expecting that, but I just wanted to do a quick review, a first impression. This is a beautiful transition color, very warm and pretty, a beautiful mid-tone to deep shade to darken out the outer corner and accentuate the lash line. This 143 was a pain in the tush. I tried to wet it, it fell out all over my face, it was super crumbly. It's a beautiful color, but I don't think I got it opaquely on my lid. I didn't decide to dive into any of the other shimmers because I wasn't happy with this and I didn't want to mess things up even further. Like I said, I think I made some adjustments. I think it still looks pretty, but not my favorite. But I will use those transition shades in there, but I need to find a way to use the shimmers. Maybe glitter glue would make it stick better and it would be more opaque. But I'm getting ready to leave on a trip to go to a family reunion and see all my close cousins and family members, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna go for now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and until next time. Oh wait, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys.
I always tell myself in every day, every time I grow. You've tried to pull me down under the ground